Hello folks, this is your friendly neighborhood Fat Anna, and I am coming to you from my ghetto house in Memphis, Tennessee. What's going on now is it is February 5th of 2008 and it is 80 degrees outside. Normal temperature is about 48 for this time of year. It's 80 degrees and we are waiting on some severe weather to hit the fan later today. So hopefully, you know, the tornado will blow down my house and I'll be able to get that for you. But, you know, that's probably not going to happen. But we're going to just wait and see. And hopefully I'll be able to get something that's a little tiny bit interesting. Okay guys, I think it's going to work. We got a warning down north of us. And good old Dave Brown says it's coming this way. I'll show you the TV. Hold up.
DeSoto County. All right, around Hernando, in Hernando area, along Interstate 55, a strong possibility I'm seeing that you're getting hail.
That's the tornado warning, which is right underneath us, and it looks like it's heading towards us, so I might actually get a siren.
Which indicates to us that there is the very real possibility that it is either producing a tornado or could produce a tornado on short notice. We'll continue to track.
So we'll get ready.
Closely on the 10.5 storm track Doppler.
Here we go. This is the siren going off for the first time since I've been home. Yeah. Kind of kick-ass, huh? I have no place to hide. I cannot fit in my closet. Alright, I need to save some of this in case I actually do get in trouble, but this is so kick-ass. They just cut it off. Alright, there's a little bit more serious than I thought. Apparently there is a wall cloud coming towards us now. So, as you hear the siren, we're going to look up. I really should be in the closet, but I can't fit. So, okay, yo, we're all gonna die. There's 1, 2, 3 tornado warnings active right now. And there's another tornado moving towards us, and I don't even know where the hell the one is that's already. Normally I don't get nervous about this, but I'm kind of nervous. I actually cleaned the closet so I can get in there. Yeah, I'm sorry to keep saying this, but they keep coming up with more stuff, and they keep saying that Shelby County and Fayette County and the county next to it, we are in like a state of emergency at the moment because there's a ton of damage. There's like some people trapped. This is bad. I mean, the city could be fucking destroyed for all I know. I really don't know. So, we'll see tomorrow. Damn. Also, we've got about 11,000 people without power. I almost lost power about 20 times. I thank God I didn't lose power. What else? They Oh, at Tullahoma, there's power lines down. That's right down the street from me too. He came on in the middle of this warning, and he's Dave Brown, the weather guy, and he said, okay, this is what I feared for 30 years of doing weather in Memphis. I feared what's happened today. And they said the National Weather Service has issued a tornado emergency, and this is something that they never do. It was scary. Hey folks, well, you're not going to believe this, but there's still active tornadoes around, and it's 7 something. I just went through about the scariest time of my life. There's damage all the way down Winchester. Apparently, I hear sirens going by. I hear ambulances, sirens. This was not a joke, okay? This was absolutely unreal and scary as motherfucking hell. Oh, Lord. And I don't know what kind of damage there is to the mall, but apparently it ripped off the side of the Sears building. And, oh my God. Anyway. Okay, things are all clear for us right now, so I'm going to do something that I never usually do. I'm going to go down the street about 5 miles, and I just got an update on the damage of the Hickory Mall. So I'm going to go drive by there and see what the hell's going on. Alright. Hey folks, I'm stuck at a stoplight because all the lights are out here on Winchester. We're going down to the Hickory Mall to see how bad the damage was. All the electricity's out. This thing came within like 5 miles of my house. Oh God. Okay, well, I gotta cut it off. Oh my God, the Hickory Mall is gone. The police are telling us to get out. Fuck. Oh my God. This thing almost landed on my house. This looks like the fucking end of the world. Holy shit. Go home. I might as well go home, I guess. Oh my God.